After ghosting Windows with Sysprep, you may encounter the error, the computer restarted unexpectedly, and Windows cannot continue the installation. Don't reinstall Windows. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue in just 1 minute with a simple registry change, safe, no data loss. First, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt on the error screen. Next, type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, navigate to the following path. On the right-hand pane, you will see a key named Setup. Double-click it to edit the value.path. Here you'll see the value set to 1, which means the Windows setup process is not completed. Change this value to 3 to tell Windows that the setup process has completed. After making the change, close the registry editor. Finally, click OK to restart the computer. After the reboot, Windows will automatically continue the setup process and proceed to the normal setup screen. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical IT tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.